Stain. Noun. A discolored spot or area. Stain. Noun. A blemish on one's character or reputation. Stain. Noun. A substance used to soak into a surface and color it. Stain. Noun. A reagent or dye used to stain microscope specimens so as to make some structures visible. Stain. Verb. To discolour. To stain the hand with dye. Armour stained with blood. Stain. Verb. To taint or tarnish someone's character or reputation. Stain. Verb. To coat a surface with a stain. To stain wood with acids, colored washes, paint rubbed in, etc. The stained glass used for church windows. Stain. Verb. To become stained, to take a stain. Stain. Verb. To cause to seem inferior or soiled by comparison. Reference. Please support us with your subscription.